Hi, this is Pramod, and I welcome you to another episode. There's this great tool which I'd like to introduce to you. That's Link. Yeah, today's lesson will be about Link. Trust me, if you get this concept right, you can do magic with PowerPoint. I know what I'm talking about here. Okay, when you talk of the link, we are going to focus on two main items over there. Now, let's come to insert and this portion here. We have the hyperlink and the action. Both are links. With the hyperlink, what it does is anytime you create a hyperlink, it can be linked to a word. Yeah, a word can be hyperlinked, a phrase, or even an object. You are able to link another page to that link that you are creating. When you click on that word or phrase or update, it will take you to another page or another section of what you are working on. Even another document which is outside what you are dealing with can also be linked to the hyperlink that you create. Then with the action, yeah, you see in our work we've created a lot of buttons, the navigations buttons over here. We can use the action button to create a command for those buttons that we've created. Since I'm doing too much talking, let's get to work. Then I think you'll get it much better. So, still using our tutorial, we have this button over here. That's the exit button. Now let's run this slide and see something. You see, when I press on this button, when I click on it, something should happen. But currently there's no action going on because we have not created any action for it. So our action button will do that magic for us. All I need to do is I click on the button that I want to give the action to, then I come to action. Over here we have two options, mouse click, then mouse over. If I should select mouse click, it means I need to click on the button before the action will be performed. And if I use mouse over, it means when I hover the mouse over the button that I've created, then the action will be performed. So we will use the mouse click for now. Okay, so I come to mouse click, then hyperlink to. Now, what should happen if this button is played? Once I click on exit, then the whole show should end. It should bring it to an end. So let's select end show. And we can choose to add our sound here to give it an effect. Let me see, I think the Queen sound will do. And okay, we are done. Very simple. So let's run this and see how it will go. Slideshow from beginning. Okay, so now let's click on it. Good. So that was it. Once more. Exit. Perfect. So let's take the next slide and we give actions to the buttons that we've created. So this close button, then the forward button. Now with the close button, what we are going to do is once we click on close, it shouldn't just end the program upright, but rather it should take us to the safety net that we've created. You see, we are going to hyperlink this button to the safe net that we've created over here, and the response that we'll choose over here to will be hyperlinked to another page. Let's slow down. First, let's create a hyperlink for this close button. So those insert action hyperlink to. So let's see, hyperlink to slide. Which slide are we going to hyperlink to? I think that's slide 3. Yes. Okay, slide 3. Okay, we can play our sound. Let's use the laser. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So let's play from this current slide and see how it will go. So we click okay. Then it brings you to the safety net. So it asks, are you sure you want to exit? But we've not given any actions to these buttons, so we need to set actions for these two buttons as well. So yes, what action do we give to yes? If yes, then I think the whole show should end. So we add our crane sound, okay. And if the response is no, then I think it should take you back to the previous slide. That's slide 2. So slide number 2. Yes, okay. Sound, our crane sound, okay. What's happened over here? I think there has been a color change. Let's undo this. Okay, let's check if the action navigator still exists. So hyperlink to slide number 2. Okay. Oops, we forgot to add our sound. It's very necessary to me. So crane, okay. Alright, so let's take it from the slide to preview that slide and see how it goes. So from current slide, okay, close. You want to close? Nope. Good. Let's try again. Okay, yes. Oops, what's happening? Let's check. Let's check it again. Let's check it again. Insert action. Hyperlink to end of show. Hyperlink to okay, then the sound comes in. Okay. Alright, let's run it again. I think this time around everything should work perfectly. So from current slide we run close. Nope. Close. Perfect. So we've created another hyperlink. Let's add the next one. That's for the forward. Do we have more time? Yeah, a few minutes to go. So there's another button that we created. Once we click on those, it should take us to the slide number 4 where we will select the class. Yeah, please don't select the next slide because it might take you, no, it's not, it will take you to the safety net. You need to skip this. So I will advise you to take note of the slides numbers so that we can use that instead. So we will create another action button for this. We select come to insert action, hyperlink to a particular slide, and which slide will be that slide number 4. Okay. Let's see. A click will do. Alright, so let's run from slide number 2. So once we click on those, it should take us to slide number 4. Alright, let's see from current slide. So next. Alright, so I think that's all. Yeah, it has worked perfectly. So that's all about the links. Okay, I think we should end for now. We will talk more on links as we progress. See ya, and try and work on the rest. We have more buttons that we need to create hyperlinks for. Yeah, there are so many buttons that we can create hyperlinks. So your assignment is to work on those buttons. I hope by the time we come back everything will be down, then we can make progress. Okay, take care. It's bye.